Hi everyone, I'm here today with my colleague Geet, who is our Senior Technical and Tutorial Support Consultant here at GBCTechTraining. Geet's been here since 2010, so he's quite knowledgeable about our online technical training programs. If you ever call for technical or tutorial help, you'll likely speak to him. So today we are here to talk about some of the technical challenges that some of our students face and how Geet and other support team members actually help them. So Geet, a common question that we get from new students is how the software is installed on the computer. Geet, what's the process of installation like?
When you register for a program, you'll get a USB from the college, and once you get the USB, you'll have to install the program using that USB. So now, digging into the installation process, it's very simple. You plug in the USB to your computer, and you'll have to run a setup file. Mm-hmm. So it's a single setup file which will install everything you need to run on that program. It will also install the simulation software. So it's just a single setup file. You just have to double click on it and run it. One thing to note is that our programs are strictly Windows based, so they will not work on Mac, Linux, or such operating systems other than Windows. So you will need a Windows based PC, laptop, or any such computer to run the program. Other than that, there is no high-end graphics requirement for the courses. It would work on any simple computer as long as it has a Windows operating system installed on it.
The installation process sounds really easy.
Yeah, it is actually.
Geet, you handle other technical issues as well. For example, how do you handle a student when they call in for any installation issues?
So even though it's a very simple installation process, there could be a situation where you'll find issues in installing the program on your computer. For instance, there could be another program running on your computer is conflicting with our program, and it's not allowing you to install it correctly, or you don't have admin access to the computer that you're installing it on, or maybe you have a antivirus program that is blocking our program to be installed on your computer. So situations like that, we can always help out students. Students will have to reach us at the contact center, and there are different ways we can help out. We can give you instructions over the phone, and students can follow on their computer and to try and solve the issue over the phone. If someone is not comfortable with the computer, with students' permission, we can remotely access their computer and install it for them. So this way, they don't have to worry about anything. Once we have remote access to their computer, we can install the program correctly on their computer, as well as test it out and make sure that everything is running. And if there are any issues, at the same time solve it. One of the major requirement to install this program on any computer is that student will need admin access to the computer. So sometimes if they're installing on a work computer, a lot of the time work computers, you don't have admin access. In that case, they'll have to contact their IT to give them full admin access before they can install. So all that queries, we have a dedicated support line. Students can contact us, and we can always help them out.
Geet, you also provide tutorial support for students who need help with the program content.
Yes, absolutely. Tutorial assistance is very important. Throughout the program, if anyone needs help with math or programming, for example, on a PLC program, if they need any help with a ladder logic program, for robotics, then if they need any help with the robotics programming, we are here to help. Students can reach us. There are different ways students can reach me and other support staff. When they're taking the program, if they have any question, if they're not able to solve it, if they need any kind of tutorial assistance. So one of the best part of our program is we have a dedicated technical and tutorial phone line. So we are just a phone call away. Anytime they need help, they can and it's a toll-free number for North America. So they just have to give us a call, and someone will be here to help them out. There is also a discussion board available. So student forum is very helpful to the students and their learning experience. One of the advantage to that is students can interact with other students enrolled in the program. So if they want to talk, if they want to discuss on any topic with other students taking the same course, they can do that through student forum. Also, there are tons of questions already posted in the student forum. We've been running the student forum as long as this programs have been running. So there are like so many questions already answered by our tutorial advisors in the forum. So there's a good chance that students will find question that they're looking for already answered on the forum, and they may not even have to bother posting anything.
Yeah. How convenient!
I know, but again, if you don't find anything that you're looking for, you can always post a question and it will be answered by the tutorial specialist as soon as possible.
Sounds good. All right, thank you, Geet.
You're very welcome.
Now, these are just some of the ways that Geet provides our students with technical and tutorial support. If you're struggling and would like to reach technical support, the number is just right here and in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you again next time.
Good luck.